Here I am in Michigan dropping off this 1979 Ford. Might have been a fire truck converted based on the interior. Cool ramp truck. Got the big Michelins on it. Real heavy duty hauler. Huge differential under it. Just a neat old truck. Custom pinstriping. That drug coming off on the dirt road, but that's about it. Another really solid, cool truck right before Christmas. Got ramps in here. Got an air tank. Cool truck out of Georgia. Very utilitarian, basic. In fact, this dash is basically the same as the F600s would be. But, like I said, it's a 79. They kept this body style of the cab over trucks for a lot of years, I think going all the way back to the 50s. So neat truck, cool rescue right before Christmas, and of course it's red, which makes it all that much better. Fan, this is the master switch to control it, but if you see, horn, siren, beacon, warning lights, backup, step lights, that's what leads me to believe that it was quite possibly a fire truck at one point. Air horn here. Super clean truck for Michigan. Big parking brake. Spotlight works, but the battery is disconnected. We got it up here and for some reason it wouldn't want to start. So that was pretty cool. Crank up windows. Here we go, headed now back up home, grab a different trailer, and then headed east to pick up another camper. So stay tuned for some updates.